Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out another video test with the Google Pixel 4a, 4K 30 frames per second. We do not have 60 frames per second. 4K 30 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. So far, 72 hours into having this device. As far as performance, functionality, not having any issues whatsoever. Battery life looks like it's going to be really good as well. I'll be sharing that information with you later. Qualcomm Snapdragon 730, doing a good job, doing a really good job. Again, performance, functionality, just getting it done. The display, man, the display 1080p is really, really nice. I was watching a movie last night, and man, I was amazed how sharp and vivid everything looked while watching a little bit of a movie before I crashed. I'm watching some videos, listening to music. The dual speakers sound really good to me. Really good. No complaints whatsoever. Connectivity. Making phone calls, receiving phone calls. Yeah, I've been testing that out. Texting, going out, coming in. No issues whatsoever. Steady jog. So yeah, connectivity is very important. Very important. T-Mobile is my carrier. So yeah, connectivity has to be there. Battery life, I think that's going to be a thumbs up. A little more testing to do. I will say this, my first screenshot has over 6 hours of screen on time. So that's definitely a thumbs up. Yeah, I actually already shot a video with this smartphone, the Google Pixel 4a. I did the update battery life for the Motorola Edge. You can go watch that if you haven't. Appreciate that. And did a great job. Great job. You can let me know what you think of that video visually and the audio quality as well. And I, using Power Director and InShot, two apps from the Play Store as far as editing goes, I edited the video with those apps on my Google Pixel 4a, and processed the video and uploaded it to all of you. You did a great job. All right, one last jog. I'm done talking. Google Pixel 4a, 4K, 30 frames per second. We do not get 60 frames. That's okay. That's okay. And that is it. Look at that.